All right, so let's find the surface area of this triangular prism. And I always start by finding the surface area of the triangle bases too. And there are two of them, and they are identical right here and there. And so when I draw that out, it shows me that the height of that is going to be 5.2 centimeters. And all of the sides of the triangle are going to be the same. That's an equilateral triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, that's going to be half of the base times the height. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 6 centimeters times 5.2 centimeters. Well, 1/2 of 6 is 3. 3 times 5.2. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15, one number behind the decimal. So that's going to be 15.2 centimeters squared. And I have two of those, so I'm going to go ahead and write that down twice or double that. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to our rectangular faces. And I'm going to start with the bottom right here. And they tell me on the bottom, I'll draw it out kind of right here, that this length right here is 6 because that's the part that's connected to the triangle. That's this right here. But I need to figure out the length. And it doesn't tell me what it is, but it does tell me this length up top is 7, and that's going to be equal. So that's going to be 7. So we're going to find the area of that rectangle, which is 7 centimeters times 6 centimeters. That is 42 centimeters squared. And then something else that I can tell, because our triangle bases are equilateral triangles, it's going to tell me that all of the rectangles are going to be equal as well. They're all going to be 7 times 6. So when I look at this and I go to the rectangle on the left, this side right here is going to be 6 centimeters, and that's going to be 7 centimeters. So this is 7 centimeters times 6 centimeters, which is 42 centimeters squared. And then when I go to my rectangle on the right, which is over here, oops, didn't draw that very well, but there we go. This is going to be 6 centimeters, and that's going to be 7 centimeters. So again, the area of that is going to be 42 centimeters squared. So when I find the surface area, I have 42 plus 42 plus, that's a 42, centimeters squared plus 15.6 plus 15.6 centimeters squared. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 6 is 12, or sorry, I have to line those up. Sorry, 6 plus 6 is 12, right? The 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's going to be 7, plus 5, which is 10, that's 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's going to be 12, plus the 1 is 13. Plus 1 is 15. I have 157.2 centimeters squared. That is the surface area of that triangular prism.